everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Dawn will be doing pineapple jam today. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe, share the video, and leave a comment and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. And to all my YouTuber follower, supporter, subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. 1 cup of water, half of a lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is 2 pounds of pineapple, 1.5 cup of sugar, and you're using the very clear sugar, not the dark one. And you can also add a little bit of this yellow food coloring. As you all see, my pineapple is already peeled. I already did a video on how to peel the pineapple, and I will be linking it in the video. I've paid $8. I brought this pineapple for $8, and they said it's honeydew, but it's nowhere near honeydew. This pineapple, it's sour plus tax, so that's why I can't eat any more of it. I just decide to use it and make jam. So you're gonna cut the pineapple in small pieces, and you want to remove the core of the pineapple. This is a core right here. Or let me make it easier for you. You just cut it like this in two, and you just cut the core out. This is the core. You can use it and make juice. There is so many things you can use a core to. You don't have to show it away. You see, so you're gonna mince the pineapple. You see how fine? Mince it. I chop it very, very fine. This pineapple is so juicy. Look at the juice. Look at that, guys. So instead of showing the core away, we're gonna cut up the core. And you're gonna add half cup of the water to it. And we're gonna put it on the NutriBullet. If you have a blender, you can put it on blend. So we wanna get the juice from this. And you're gonna pass it through the sieve. We don't want any lump in it, so that's the reason why you're just gonna pass it out, strain it. So you see, you have to run it through the sieve until no more juice. So all our juice is there. And this, you're gonna put this, throw this in the bin, no good. You're gonna cut on the lemon. We're gonna extract the juice out. If you don't have the extractor, you can always just hold the lemon like this and squeeze it and get all the juice out. So we get like 2 to 3 teaspoons of the lemon juice. We're gonna pour the little water we have left back hot. And we're gonna add our squeeze pineapple. Pour the rest of, look how much juice we have from the pineapple. And then just gonna let this boil like 2 minutes. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger juice to it. It enhance and balance. You won't have stomach ache. The ginger is always good, and it enhances the flavor in the pineapple jam. After 2 minutes of boiling, then you're gonna add the sugar in. Remember, 1.5 cups of sugar. Pour your vanilla in. And you're gonna let it come to a rapid boil. Now it's boiling, you're gonna add 2 to 1 drop of the food coloring, and it's a yellow one. And you have to keep stirring because you don't want it to stick to the side. You don't want it burn. After 5 minutes of boiling, you add your lemon juice. And this will help it from being crystallized and add flavor to your pineapple jam. We're gonna give it 20 to 35 minutes to boil. We're just gonna stir. And you want it to become thick, into a thick syrup. And gummy. Remember, we're making jam. Look at in there, guys. Look at this. Guys, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. And look at it, guys. You see, we get in there. We have 10 more minutes to go. Remember, I told you 20 to 35 minutes. Just keep stirring. That's all you need to do, because you don't want it stay to the side of the pot and begin to burn. And you're gonna need a mason jar. Look how nice pineapple we get in there. Wow. And you don't want to overdo it because it can become like candy. So look at this, guys. So we done. Look. This is how you want your jam to be looking. So you're gonna turn the fire off and let it cool. And now our jam is cool, guys. Look at this. You see? One come together in one. So if you make the jam and it's not like this, when it cool and you put it back, then probably you have to give it, something is wrong. Probably you have to put it back to boil. So the jam is like this when it cool. You come like this, you see, as I showed you before. And here, look. Oh gosh, the jam is so nice. I'm telling you guys, the lemon juice with a little touch of ginger and the vanilla, it enhances the flavor. So now we're gonna put our jam in our mason jar. Ensure it cool, because if it's not cool and you attempt to put it in the mason jar, it can break the glass. And you know what? I want to dive in this on a piece of bread. Beautiful people, look at this, friends. Our pineapple jam is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, mouth watering, guys? So why not give it a try? Give it a try and know you will enjoy it. The kids will love it. Pineapple jam. So don't buy, make your own. Make your own. This is papaya jam. Please take care of yourself, and above all, let us be our brother keeper. One love. Peace.